How's it going, guys? Today I wanted to demonstrate how to use this program I made called Character Killer. I made it to help automate part of the custom character creation process, and I'll show you why it helps. So here I have a couple custom characters I've been working on, and I'll demonstrate with Daffy Duck. So he goes over Waluigi on the Flame Runner, and I already have the model all rigged up and ready to go. But right now, he only goes over the Flame Runner, and I want him to go over all the vehicles. So what I would usually do is use Crate, export this model, export the textures, and open up each file individually and replace them. But that's boring, and it takes time, and it's tedious. So I made this program Character Killer to automate that part of the process. So what it does is it takes this SES file, and it pulls the model and textures out of it, and it sticks them into all the vehicle slots for whatever character you choose. And this replaces the LOD model as well, the low detail model, and all the textures. So if you have a LOD model, or if you just want to make a normal texture hack, the program will work just the same. So you need a couple of things installed for this program to work. It's a Python script, so obviously you'll need Python. The program's GUI uses a Python module called PyQt5, so you need to install that. And then it also uses Weems, ISO, and SES tools, and they need to be accessible by path to work. It also requires you to have a Mario Kart Wii ISO or WBFS file. This is to pull the character SES files directly from the game. To run the program, open up a command prompt window or PowerShell, whatever you use. And you're going to want to open that in the same location where your Character Killer program is. So I'll just open a terminal right here, and you're going to run it with Python. So we'll do Python characterkiller.py, and this window should pop up. Right, it's pretty small and it's really simple. So I want him to go over Waluigi. So from this drop down menu, I'm going to go ahead and pick Waluigi. Then I'll tell the program where the files are. So first I'll select Mario Kart Wii ISO, and I have to select it. So I got the WBFS file right here. I'll open that. Then I want to pick my source SES file. So this is like my Daffy Duck file that I'm picking right now. So to pull the model and textures from this file and then put them into the other character slots. Then I want to tell it where I want it to put the files, so I'll click Output Folder, and I have a folder right here for Daffy, so I'm going to select that. And once that's done, you can go ahead and hit Patch Files, and you can wait a little bit. Once it finishes, this window will pop up saying that all the files were successfully patched, and it'll ask you if you want to open the folder. I'm going to go ahead and hit Yes. And here we go. So right in the Daffy Duck folder that I told it has this folder called Updated SES. And then it has all these, so I can just test it out. We'll check the spear to see if he's in here. So this is the spear over Waluigi, and the model is Daffy. And we can go ahead and look in here, check the animations. Where did he go? There he is. And there he is. So I hope this program helps some people with making custom characters. It's not a huge part of the process, but it is a little bit of a pain. And this program makes it easier for me. So download and try it out. If you run into any issues or have suggestions, just let me know with a comment or message me on Discord. I'll put all the download links in the description. Thanks for watching.